Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hope you guys are doing well. Have you guys opened your presents yet? And for those of you who have you got what you wanted, or have you got something that you're probably just going to end up passing down? Regardless, whichever way it is, hope you have a very, very Merry Christmas. So today, obviously, you know what this video is about. It's to announce that lucky winner for my Christmas giveaway. Let me just show you the bag first of all. It is quite full now. The video that I put up showing you this giveaway, I think the products were about up to here overall. Now it's actually really full. I don't want to tip it because then you'll see more things that are going to be in this giveaway, but it's heavy and it's full. Firstly, before I start though, I just want to say, for those of you who don't win, please don't get disheartened. I will be doing so many more giveaways. Sorry, be doing so many giveaways, not only on my YouTube channel but on my other social media platforms as well. So please check out the description bar below. You'll see all my social media handles, and get following, because randomly I'll have random giveaways here and there. So keep subscribed, keep following. You will see more and more opportunities to win goodies. Maybe not as much from time to time, might be smaller amounts, but there will be stuff coming there. This giveaway was open internationally, so anybody could have entered, but that's it now. I'm announcing the winner, and how I'm doing that is literally on my phone. I've got that Christmas giveaway video up here, and what I'm going to be doing is just scrolling up, like just blindfolded, scrolling up, scrolling down, and then just randomly picking a winner. Got the video, just going up, not looking, not looking, not looking, going down, going up, going down, and then back up, just doing random strokes. The winner is Jessica Chalice. Jessica Chat. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I know Jessica. I know this Jessica Chalice. She's actually my receptionist. How weird is that? Oh my god. Wow, she was one of the first few that actually entered in this giveaway, so I actually did get right the way down. Oh my god, I'm so happy for you, Jess. So you know when you know some people that so badly deserve something good to happen to them, because they've had so much, let's say, bad things happening to them. I don't want to say any bad languages on my channel, but when they've had so much bad stuff happening, they just need like a good, they need to see that light under that tunnel, through that tunnel. So this giveaway is, oh, I'm so happy for her. So sorry to those of you who didn't win, who did enter, gave me really nice suggestions of products and stuff that they've tried out that works really well for them. There's a really nice subscriber who also suggested remedies for my pigmentation as well, so I will be trying that out as well. So thank you so much. Like, it means so much to me when you guys care. Like, you know, I've been blabbering on about my skincare, and there's a few of you actually who have actually suggested things to me, not just in my the giveaway video, but in my previous videos as well. So thank you all so much. I will be trying out different remedies. More natural ones, I would say I will be more willing to try, because I don't want anything to make it worse, if that makes sense. But yeah, I will be going, as I said earlier, I will be doing more giveaways on my other platforms, social media platforms, as well as my YouTube as well. So stay subscribed, and yeah, have a good Christmas, and I'll see you guys in my next video.